Good morning, everyone. This is Sandra Habana, and welcome to Capstone 2, Week 1, Lesson 1. Okay, so we have this presentation or PowerPoint presentation, Places in the World. So I want you to group yourselves into 3. So I need 5 groups with 3 members. Okay, for each group. Because I'm going to assign you to each place. Okay, so yes, go ahead. Yeah. Okay, form a group. So 3 members for each group. Okay, so yes. Group 1, I'm going to assign you to changing seasons. Okay. Group 2, mountain places. Group 3, desert places. Group 4, tropical places. And Group 5, polar places. So as you see here in the presentation, so we have the story of the places in the world. Okay, so I like every place, okay, or every group to read your own or your assigned place. So, okay, it starts with the changing season. Okay, so please read the part for the changing season. So, who's your representative? Alright, so yes, please read. Okay, thank you so much. So now let's move to mountain places. Okay, who's your representative mountain place group? Alright, so kindly read the story. Okay, thank you so much. So let's now move to mountain place. Okay, so please read the mountain place part. Okay, you're the representative. Okay, very good. Thank you, Claire. Okay, so how about for tropical places? Who's your representative? Jonathan. Okay, please read it. Thank you. And the last one, so we have the polar places. Okay, so yes, Eric. Okay, go ahead. Please read this. Okay, thank you so much. So now, you know the story of places in the world. So as you read the PowerPoint presentation. So, okay, each group I assigned you, alright? So, for changing season group, alright, I'd like you to discuss what it is like, what clothes they have to wear in changing season, and what kind of weather there is in that area. So same thing with the mountain place, with the polar place, okay, with the tropical places, of course, and the desert places. So yes, I'd like you to talk about brainstorm. Alright, so brainstorm, what's the weather in your assigned place? What are you going to wear? What is it like? What can you see? What animals do you think can live in your chosen place? So yes, I'd like you to discuss. And then after that, okay, maybe I'll give you like 3 minutes to talk about, okay, your assigned place. And then in each group, so you have 3 members, so you have to brainstorm. One person would, of course, write, and another person would be the sentence creator. So yes, try, but of course you still have to brainstorm. And yes, the speaker, so you have to choose who's going to discuss in the class, okay, your assigned place. So what can you say about changing season place, mountain place, desert place, tropical place, and polar place? Okay. So yes, for 3 minutes, and then I'll give you 2 minutes to discuss in front of your classmate. Okay, so yes, time is up. Okay, it's time for you, first group, to talk about changing season. Oh, yeah. Awesome, yes. Okay, I agree. How about desert place? What can we see there? Okay, go ahead. Oh, yes. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, how about polar place? Oh, that's true. It's very cool there. Okay, thank you so much. So, alright. Now, get your mobile phone, and I'd like you to search the place where you live using Google Earth. Okay, and then, yes, I'd like you to regroup yourselves. I need 4 groups this time. Okay, so yes, regroup. Okay, 4. Yes, 4. Alright, so yes, 4. Okay. Then, okay. In each group, so you have to show using your mobile phone the place where you live in the Google Earth. So describe to your group what it is like to live in the place. Okay, yes, to live there. What you usually wear. What activities can you do in that area? So yes. Alright, so I'll give you like 5 minutes to do that. Okay, search in Google Earth. Oh, you have question? Oh yes, what is it? Okay, so this is what you're going to do when you find the Google Earth here. Okay, and then where do you live? Alright, so you live in Korea. Okay, so where exactly in Korea? So yes, use Google Earth here. There you go. Okay, and then you're gonna show to your classmate and describe. So all the members in the group have to do the same thing. So show your place. So that's all. Thank you.